Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I refinished this drop leaf dining table that I got at an estate sale for $12.50. When I was looking at the table at the estate sale I could see the end grain here, so I knew it was solid wood and I decided to buy the table. I cleaned the table with Simple Green and then wiped it down with water to remove any leftover dirt and residue. The table was a little bit wobbly, so I tightened the nuts and bolts on all the legs underneath using a socket wrench. Once the table was dry, I sanded everything with 120 grit sandpaper to remove the original finish. Here's how the top looked after I was done sanding. I used an oil-based stain in a dark walnut color to stain the entire table, and I ended up doing 2 coats to really get a deep color. Here's how it looked after the first coat of stain, and after the second coat of stain. I sealed everything with 3 coats of an oil-based semi-gloss polyurethane. Here's how it looked right after the first coat of polyurethane, and here's the final result. I got the table to go with these chairs I flipped a while ago, and I think they pair nicely. I love the dark stain with the dark blue paint, and I think the table will be perfect in a small house or apartment. I hope you liked this quick table makeover, and I'll see you in the next video.